Hi friends, good morning. I am Lokesh. I am from Gokrasar Ambasi College, pursuing BTech third year. Now I am telling you about my new project, which is on automated gate. And my roll number is 1624180395. This is my automated gate, uh, which is done on CATIA. And my abstract is uh, this is automated gate without the use of electric power, allows to open the barriers only for vehicles and not for any other big animals. So the second point is they close for big animals, and the rods connected parallelogram mechanism of bars with bridges provided to base, and this is the parallelly pivoted bars which is connected parallel to each other, and this green and this blue color are also parallel. The bridges are connected together by sliding joint, and this is the pulley, this is the sliding joint, and this is the thread which is connected to a weight and the lower bridges. Okay, and the parts that to make this mini project are: first one, plywood, and the specifications of this plywood are the thickness, and thickness we the The thickness that we used in the project are 30.18 mm, 4.78 mm, 65.5 mm sheets, and the second part is pulley, and this is made of steel. And the specifications of this pulley are thickness 9 mm, hole dia, and this is the hole dia which is 8.88 mm, and this is the thickness from this to this. This is the thickness. It is which is 8 mm, and the groove 5 mm, and the distance is 2 mm. Here it is not visibly, so in CATIA file it is visibly. This is my CATIA file. This is the groove, and this is the thickness from this surface to this surface, and this is the thickness. Okay, 26.91. And groove 5 material which are used is aluminium and wires, which is used to connect the platform of the bridge and the weights and passing through the pulley. And the specifications of this wire: diameter 5 mm, material nylon, tensile strength 92.7 megapascal, tensile module 22.93 gigapascal. This is my CATIA file. Thickness of this sheet, which is base, is 30.18 mm, and the area of this sheet is, and square area 0.32 meter square, total area weight that we used is radius of this cylinder is 12.95 mm and surface area 0.01 meter square, which is shown here. And the distance between the each parallel points are from this surface to this surface, which is 88.9 mm, and the thickness of these parallel points are from this surface to this surface, which is 25.4 mm, which is 1 inch, and in this figure the vehicle comes from this side to this side. At that time the angle of the barriers will reduce and fully rotates. Automatically the weight which lifts up, and the gates of this are opened, and when the vehicle left from this bridge, the angle of these wood or moves up. At that time the load that which comes up and threads here or moves down, so that the gates will close, and the simulation of this is not possible because I did in the CATIA assembly, so that it is very difficult. So the simulation is not showing here, just it is an assembly. And here this is the pivots which hold and rotates these parallel points here, and this all is made up of wood only, and except this pulley is made up of aluminium, and this is the thread which is connected to the load and the pulley, and these blue are also the supports of these parallel points, which are very strong, and thickness that is mentioned for the wood or uh, this wood thickness is 30.18 mm, and this wood thickness is 4.78 mm, which is mentioned in the specifications box, and this wood thickness is 63.5 mm, and the inner hole is 1 inch, 25.4 mm. The gap between these two parallel faces are nearly 60. No, 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 it's wrong. The gap between these faces are nearly 63.56 mm. This is because to rotate with these pivots, so I kept like that. The main motto is the main motto of this design is to reduce the cost and the material wastage also. So it helps for the production. And the thickness of these blue plates are from this line to that line 2 thickness. So these are all made from plywood only. The parts that to assemble are this is first one, part one, and this is part two, and this is part three, which is assembled. And these are the parts, and the merits and demerits are merits. It doesn't consume electric power. It doesn't require manpower. It's a cheap, safety, and secure. Cheap. It is cheaper, safety and security, and the demerits are it doesn't withstand for very high loads because it is made of wood, and like trucks with heavy loads, etc. Maintenance is too high. Thank you.